Yeah, this is definitely the weirdest video I have ever made. The thing that I'm wondering is, did everybody else already know about this hack and I'm just now finding out about it? I get a lot of weird business related emails. Emails from foot picture connoisseurs, Russian real estate agents, sugar daddies, and relatives in Dubai that I didn't even know that I had that are suddenly dying and need to transfer $44,790,906 to my bank account as soon as possible. Yikes. I used to get so many emails from Amazon sellers about those sticky pasty bra things that were like a huge thing in 2017. And whenever I would get one of those dear sir / ma'am emails, I was like, A, who actually wears these things? B, what kind of channel do these people think I am? Okay, but there was one that I got emailed that I'm not gonna post a picture because I'm trying with all my might, mind, and strength to keep this video monetized. But the pasties were 2 black hands and then they had a clasp in the middle. Who comes up with this stuff? Anyway, so that was my exact reaction when Jessica sent me an email, when suddenly I had an idea. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, if you're not, make sure to hit that little red button. You know that I hate removable cut pads. You know, the cheap, spongy, have a mind of their own insert thingies. Oh, and if you're lucky, you get the really cheap triangle ones that the edges never seem to lay quite flat. Mine always end up catastrophically sliding together into the middle of the bra. In fact, I have this little dungeon for the souls of lost in the wash inserts because I am not about to take the time to shove them back in that tiny little slit and finagle them back into position. Literally, like, you need a medical degree to put those things back in once they're out. We might have a solution to this problem. I actually polled you guys on Instagram to make sure that I wasn't completely alone in hating these inserts, and turns out I'm not. 67% of you agree with me. There are 306,000 of you. 67% of that. 205,000 of you that watch this channel also hate the spongy insert things. So I thought to myself, we might have a solution with these stickies. In all of my sticky pasty email history, I never once for some reason thought that they could be good for sports bras, especially since they can be used over and over. Now, I'm not saying like go for a run in these, but if you're doing a light workout in a bra like this, and you hate the inserts, but you don't want to be nipping out, and you want a little help, this could be a thing. I don't know. We're gonna find out this week. The creators of these stickies are not paying me. In fact, they sent me the stickies and then I accidentally threw them away. So I ordered some new ones. Okay, but like, shout out to Jessica and her mom for the really sweet email and sending them even though I lost them. That was really nice of you. But they're linked below if this ends up being a success and you want to get some. These are called the New Hope.
Wow, they named them after me.
Premium strapless push-up nipple cover backless sticky bra pasties 2020 model. They are $16.99 Prime on Amazon. There's only one size with a rabbit's ear design that is supposed to give 30% push-up effect. Premium grade silicone adhesive that can be worn multiple times. It doesn't estimate how many times, but I'm here to do that for you this week. Money back guarantee. Sick. Most suitable for an A to D cup. I'm like between a C and a D for reference. All right, I think that I have talked enough that we have lost all of the creepy men who clicked on this video thinking it was going to be something that it's not. So let's try these out. And that's how they come, with a little plastic back. They feel really nice, actually. Cute little heart designs on the silicone. So what we're gonna do is a couple light workouts in these this week, and then we're gonna finish up this week with a bang, and I'm gonna wear them with a swimsuit. So today I'm gonna be doing a leg workout. I'm gonna try not to do too much bouncing. I'm gonna wear this set from Tala. I'm also filming other YouTube videos this month, so some of the products that you see, you might be getting reviews on later. It's like YouTube videoception. Anyway, so there are these seamless leggings, and then this cute little seamless top. I'm gonna try wearing it with just the stickies. 4 steps. Step 1, cleanse chest area with damp cloth, then pat dry. Nah. Step 2, remove plastic film on the bra. Oh, it's real sticky. Step 3, place cusps of bra on breast, then use bunny ears to pull up and attach to upper chest. Okay, here we go. Pull the little bunny ears up. Okay. I feel like I should save these films to put these back onto. They actually are doing like a pretty good lifting job. Not getting to show you, obviously, but. Step 4, stand out and impress everyone. Guys, that looks good. Oh, you can kind of see it. I should have put the rabbit ears over further. But I mean, like, it looks good. All right, let's see if they actually stay on though through the workout and stuff. Also, I had a scoop of pre-workout and a whole energy drink, and I feel like my heart is about to explode. Pre-workout chips and salsa, pre-workout enchilada, pre-workout, sit in the car and procrastinate the workout. All right, I did a few little warm-up moves. Starting to sweat a little bit, but they're still hanging in there. And I realize this is like the ultimate test because this thing is not breathable. I am thoroughly impressed by these little things. I feel like they're starting to lift a tiny bit on the edges, but they held up for an entire workout. And we're back. Now we gotta take these things off.
You're gonna put your boobs in the video.
Yeah.
It's a bad idea.
I'm just tricking, they can't see anything. I'm gonna stick them back on these things. Oh, there goes my spray tan. Ow! It doesn't feel great coming off. Oh, they're all sweaty. Should pat them dry here. It's crazy that they just stay sticky. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow for round 2. Here we go, stickies day 2. Okay, here's the trick is I don't really want the ears to show. Man, see, this is the thing about the bunny ears ones. Like maybe if we're gonna wear them with sports bras, it's better to get just the plain ones. I am gonna be wearing a shirt though. Can you guess which one? That's right, Saski mesh. So glad I got 2 of these because the other one is dirty. Kinda looks like I have band-aids on my chest, but you know. Today I'm going to a Pilates class. It's honestly the light workout of my choice. So we'll see if these stay sticky. All right, I didn't really film any of that because I just feel bad when there's other people in the class, you know? I mean, they stayed sticky. They're just showing terribly. So this isn't really the bra that they were made for, but they're hanging in there. All right, they came off a lot easier this time. Oh no. And you can see where the sweat is starting to penetrate them. So I think that I'm going to let them air out before I try to use them again tomorrow. Stickies day 3. We're going for our 3rd light workout. Today I'm gonna wear a top like this where there's no risk of the bunny ears peeking out. I hate wearing bras. And when I do, it's a very like light t-shirt bra. The main reasons being the straps digging in, the clasp digging in, the wire digging in. So like, I really think that we found an everyday solution to that. The thing that I'm wondering is, did everybody else already know about this hack and I'm just now finding out about it? Well, hopefully this is news to some of you. Oh my gosh. I didn't realize how cute the back of this shirt is. How it has a little crisscross. This top and these Surface pocket shorts that I'm wearing today are releasing from Alphalete on Saturday. I think today at the gym I'm gonna do some walk-in or Stairmaster, one of the two. Because I'm gonna be in a car all day, so I need to get my steps in and then probably some abs. Ta-da! So perky. Also, I'll have links to all the stuff that I'm wearing down below in the description box. Wait. Day 3 going strong. Impressive because I was even sweating a little bit today. And I'm gonna move right into phase 4 because I feel like this video is starting to get a little bit repetitive. Well, got all the way to St. George and realized I forgot the stickies. The finale is ruined. The only swimsuit that I even have that would make sense to use the stickies for is this one. I don't have swimsuits that are like low cut in the front because I don't like how my chest looks in them usually. So that's why I was excited to try the stickies out because maybe we have a solution to that problem as well, but no, I had to forget them. I'm honestly just ready for this video to be over. Oh, I feel uncomfy in this. See what I mean? Like it looks stupid. Not made for my body type. Also, do you want to know something funny? I thought that I forgot these and then when I got home I found them in my bag. So I had them in St. George the whole time. Maybe if I would have been wearing this swimsuit, I would have been too afraid to go down the water slide and this never would have happened. This is gonna be our last experiment and we're gonna go ahead and end the video because these things are not getting any less sticky. Yeah, and I think we all get the point. Is that for real? I don't even have words. No way. Bunny ears are definitely made for something like this where the top is covered. But to be honest, I think I'm gonna go buy some without bunny ears to use with sports bras because it actually kind of worked phenomenally well. Let me know if you've ever tried stickies like this before because I think I just found my new best friends. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and end this bizarre video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for being here. Okay, bye.